Hi guys, it's Jaden from Saskatoon Truck Center. This is stock number 5272P. It's a 2024 GMC Sierra regular cab deck truck with only 42,000 K. Truck is, well, as you'd expect with 40K, immaculate. Nice, definitely a nice combination to have. These don't come around very often, the Duramax dualies. Seem to be kind of few and far between these days. Nice big 12-foot by 8-foot deck on the back. Something like this is great for the farm or the construction industry. There's plenty of deck surface there for pallets of fertilizer, pallets of seed, compressors, welders, that kind of thing, or construction materials, whether you're bringing them to and from the job site. These also work really well for lumber yards for distribution, and they also work well for couriers as well. So, the regular cab with the 12-foot deck, it's a little bit shorter than the crew cab, so you are a little bit more nimble. Power window is power door locks, power mirrors, air tilt, and cruise. There's also a flip-up center console there to put a third person in there if you needed to, and some auxiliary switches to run things like beacon lights, buggy whips, slip tank pumps, that kind of thing as well. So again, lots of uses for this, from farm to construction, courier, or delivery. Having a nice, clean, low-mile truck with warranty on it would definitely make your job a lot easier. Again, stock number 5272, a 2024 GMC Sierra regular cab.